Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Kue Dadar Gulung. This is one of my favorite Indonesian snacks and it is so easy to make. So here's the recipe and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so now let's start with the crepe batter. Here I'm using some pandan leaves. These leaves are very nice and fragrant. We use it a lot, especially for our desserts. In Indonesia, they also sell pandan paste like this. It will give you the aroma and the color at the same time. If you can find it, that will definitely make your life much easier. But if you cannot, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. Okay, so first I'm just going to cut the leaves into small pieces, right into my blender, and I'm gonna add some water, and I'm going to blend them for a couple of minutes. And then get your measuring cup ready and strain the mixture into it. Remember that you want about 375 milliliters of liquid, so measure it properly. And then into it, I'm just going to put a few drops of green food coloring, just stir it properly and then set it aside. Okay, now into my mixing bowl, I put some flour and then some salt, and then I'll just give it a whisk. Back to the pandan mixture that we made earlier, I'm going to add 1 egg, and then I'm going to add the coconut cream, and I'll whisk them together until everything is combined. Okay, so now pour the wet mixture into the flour, and then whisk. You want to make a smooth, silky batter with no lumps. Now I'm just going to strain the batter. This is what I always do when I make crepes, and then I'm going to give it a final mix and then set aside to rest while we're making the filling. And for the filling, I'm just going to use 100 grams of this palm sugar, and I'll shave it so it's easier for it to dissolve. And then I put the brown sugar into the pan with 1 pandan leaf and some water. Cook on the medium-low heat just until the sugar dissolves, and then set it aside. I have 150 grams of shredded coconut onto a pan, and then I'm going to strain the sugar mixture over. Put the leaf back and add some salt. I'll cook this on a low heat until the coconut gets softer and you don't see any excess liquid in the pan anymore. You see, at this point, there is no more liquid in the pan, so now you can transfer it to cool. Coconut and brown sugar, what a perfect combination. It smells so good. Okay, now let's cook the crepes. In this case, a non-stick pan is definitely going to be your best friend. You can grease it lightly on a medium heat, and then you want to pour the batter and swirl at the same time, and then shake the pan so the base is completely coated. As you can see, at this point, the color has started to change, and when it changes completely, it means it's time for you to flip it. You want to keep it on the pan only for a few seconds, and then after that you transfer it to a plate. Now you repeat the process with the rest of the batter. And now it's time to assemble. So now you put about 1 spoonful of the coconut filling onto the crepe, and then you fold it over, just like so. Fold both sides, and then roll it to close it. And that's it, you're done. Simple and delicious. Keep repeating the same process with the rest of the crepes, and I guarantee you will have an amazing tea time with this. Click the link on the description below for the complete ingredients and measurements. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and see you on the next video. Bye!